Good afternoon, all you customers of Oxcart Racing. This is the military truck, and yes, it's kind of missing a windshield. Why? Because it's time for a new one. This is the old one. Can I crack it, ADD? Hi guys. Yeah, this is the old one, and we're installing a new one. You get a better view. We're going to install this one. This is out of an 85 Bourbon. To be honest with y'all, never put one in. Take them out all the time, but don't put them in. So, we're going to see how this goes.
Happy now that she's got a little bit better home life.
Alright, folks. Alright, folks, here we go. Never done it before in my life. Never practiced it before in my life, except removing, but we cheated. We're not going to tell you how we cheat. No. You don't, no. No! Bad people. We don't tell you our tricks. You want to know? Come over to Oxcart Racing and we'll build you one. Now, next we're going to do is we're going to install this in the groove. How we're going to do this yet, I have no idea.
This goes in this corner.
We're supposed to start in the bottom in the corner.
There's that corner. It seems to be moving that way.
So we'll get back to you when we get it completely installed. We'll shoot you some more video. Something like that. I think we're gonna do that again.
The lube?
Yeah, I think we're gonna lube it up. Oh, the lube. Where did the lube go?
We rolling?
Red light's on. I think we're rolling.
It's counting numbers.
Yeah, we're rolling.
Okay, boys and girls, we're back at oxcartracing.com, or not. And we're currently working on this bad boy right here. This guy right here has got to have his own windshield. And continuing on over here for a second, it has a matching, not armored, but cool looking outpost trailer. Yep, it's even got its own engine puller in the back. The tire is up there precariously because we tossed it off the roof in a hurry to make room for putting the tire in. And we've got the rack up off the roof, pushed up there with a stainless steel bar so we could get the windshield in without running into it. And he's currently convincing the gasket piece in the middle with the, yes folks, it's the famous Oxcart Racing toad sticker. We got a whole crew out here watching, and everybody missed the fun of the remove and replace of the glass, but that's okay. It'll be nice to have a windshield that won't get us pulled over. We get pulled over enough as it is. You haven't yelled Yahtzee yet.
I haven't won yet. And I don't yell Yahtzee. It's domino.
I was waiting for that. That's why I said it.
Everybody else yells Yahtzee. I yell domino. This is what takes the guy in the glass shop so long. Alright, you members of Oxcart Racing, here we go again. Yeah, I got a bigger light this time. All installed. All installed, cut to fit, custom installed. $42.95, please.
Thank you. Please drop again.
Smash it eventually.